Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reboot your BMW iDrive system. This simple process can often fix common issues like a frozen screen, unresponsive controls, or connectivity problems. It's a quick and safe way to refresh your car's infotainment system without losing any of your personalized settings or data. Think of it like restarting your smartphone when it acts up. Let's get your iDrive running smoothly again with just a few easy steps. To perform a soft reboot, first locate your iDrive controller, which is typically found on the center console between the front seats. Now, simply press and hold down the volume knob firmly for approximately 20 to 30 seconds. You'll notice the screen will go blank, and then the BMW logo will reappear as the system restarts. This usually resolves most minor software hiccups, getting you back on track quickly. If a soft reboot doesn't resolve your iDrive issues, there are a few other things to consider. First, ensure your car's battery is in good health, as low voltage can sometimes cause electronic glitches. Also, check if there are any available software updates for your iDrive system, as these often include bug fixes. If problems persist, it might be time to consult your BMW owner's manual or contact a certified service center for further diagnosis. If your iDrive system continues to malfunction after trying these steps, it could signal a more complex underlying issue, possibly hardware-related. In such cases, it's best to seek professional assistance from a BMW dealership or a specialized service center. They have the diagnostic tools and expertise to accurately identify and fix the problem. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.